Hey friends, for today's tutorial, Tuesday video, we're gonna look at handstand. And there are so many variations on handstand that today we're just going to look at the cannonball hop. So I've got Tony set up here in downward facing dog. So we're gonna set it up as more of a handstand prep shape by having him step his feet about 12 to 14 inches closer to his hands so that we have a little bit more of a box shape between his hands, his shoulders, and you can think of it as his knees or his hips. Obviously, we've got an angle here. We want him to round his upper back, protracting his scapulas, and make sure that his shoulders are directly over his wrists, and his gaze is either between his hands or initially slightly in front of his hands where we want his hips to travel. Bringing the big toes to touch, that's gonna help him engage his core as he hops. He'll bend his knees and hop up, squeezing his thighs together, trying to draw his knees in tight to his chest, which will prevent him from going up and over into a back bend. Great job, Tony. I'm excited to make a lot more variations on handstand tutorials, but this is the first one. Another way we can approach this is hopping towards the wall. So I'll have Tony turn and turn his booty towards you, and his hands will keep on the mat. This time we're gonna try to get him to bring his feet to the wall. So he could be anywhere from 3 inches, 12 inches away from the wall, hopping up, and he's gonna bring his feet to the wall, which isn't exactly what we want because we can see how his lower ribs start to open up. And what we really want is for his knees to come into his chest. So he might pull one knee in or both knees in towards the chest to try to find balance. Arms are straight, gripping into the fingertips to help define the balance. Obviously, it takes a lot of practice, but this is just one variation on handstand. Thanks, Tony. You're epic as always. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, hit the like, share the love. Namaste.